Hello guys, welcome to Technical Thinkers. In today's episode, we learn about how to get others' IP address and how to track the victim's address with a location and with longitude and latitude. So friends, all you have to do that you have to install only two apps from your Play Store, or this is only for applicable for the Android mobiles. So guys, you have to download two apps, and with that two apps I'll teach how to get others victims IP address and how to trace it. So guys, in the beginning of the video I'm telling you that this video is only for educational purpose and only for students. If anyone misuses the video content, so I'm not the responsible for that. So friends, let's start our video. Hello guys, so you have to install the two applications from your Play Store. Is that okay? Let's go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. So you have to click search on the search bar. Is that IP logger? Okay, I have already installed the IP logger, so I'll open it. So the opening interface of this IP logger is like this. So if you click on the plus icon, so that you will be displayed four options. In that we can select only two options, and the rules for these two options is, for one victim you can send only one link. If one link for multiple victims, it is not applicable. So if you generate one link, then that link should be applicable only for the one victim only. So what are these two types of links? So first one is coming to invisible logger. So if you generate a link from this invisible logger, so you will be generated a link. So I'll show you example. So simply click on the create button. So it's been loading. So this is your IP, some logger URL is there, some https iplogger.com. This type of link has been generated. So copy it and send to the victim through the message, or from WhatsApp, or from Facebook, or any other social media content. So you can send this link. If the victim will clicks on this link, he will be displayed that a black screen through the internet. The link will be opened, and he will be displayed as a black screen. So after immediate clicking of that victim's mobile, so his IP address will be displayed in your IP logger account. So next option is that image URL is the type of the URL. If you go and search any URL from any image from the Google. Okay, let's do it. Google. Okay, let's go to images. I'll search about pizza. Okay, the image of the pizza is here. So I'll copy the link. Copy. So guys, I will give this link as an input to this image URL, and I'll click on the create button. So my fake link has been created. That in the section of logger URL, IP logger URL. So if you click the copy button, and the link will be copied. If you want to send someone as a message, if you send this link to someone, then the person who is victim, he will click on this button. If someone click or he will click on this button, the IP address will be displayed in this page. So guys, if you want to track the IP address of someone's, you will get the IP address using this technique. And if you want to track with the location of the IP address, if you need all you need to do that, simply IP locator, LOC IP location. Okay, I have already installed this app. So guys, I'll open it, and okay guys, no thanks. So guys, this is my IP address, so this is my location. I'm hiding this for my security purpose. So guys, by this you can easily locate your victim's address. So guys, this is only, I'm again saying that this video is only for educational purpose, and this video is only for the person who have lost their mobile phones and they wanted to track their mobile phones. So that purpose only, and other good purposes. So if anyone misuses this content, I am not the responsible for this. So guys, hope you understand. So guys, we have successfully learned the above process. So hope you understand the process and don't misuse this process guys. And thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my channel, and hope you guys help me. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.